spoke, used to be 5 horsepower. You know, I'm Batman. Now watch me ride this son bitch down the road real quick. Get this out of the way. This fucker likes to get caught with a chain. I'm with.
Can you do it, Willie?
Alright, turn this shit off. Look at this handbar for somewhere. Oh yeah, I got a chopper.
You got a crotch
Got a
rocket.
Batmo chopper.
You got a crotch rocket, not a chopper. Hey, you're supposed to be full tuck right now, Mikey. You're supposed to be in full tuck right now. That's a crotch rocket. By the way, your case is about to get stuck. Did you wreck one day? That's the cheap version of Batmobile.
This is my back car.
You gonna drive it? Okay, I'm hopping there. Let's just